In this video, we are going to start our next chapter, sex determination. You all know about this sex determination, which is dependent upon presence of X chromosome and Y chromosome. Out of that, each animal has different type of XY representation, and this determination of sex is studied by many scientists. Its history is written in this slide. First, the scientist Galen imagined that the right ovary, when produces egg, that baby became a male, and left ovary develops egg, that baby became female. This theory was not true. Then the another scientist, Schenck, this scientist put forward this theory, nutrition theory, about sex determination. It says that when there is base nutrition, baby develop into female, or if there is less nutrition, that baby develop into a male. Then in 1902, McClung discovered the chromosomes in grasshopper, and then the concept of sex chromosomes and autosomes is studied. 1906, the scientist in this year 1906, scientist Coren studies and says that the individuals are homozygous and heterozygous. This concept explains about the structure and shape of chromosome. When individual has a similar chromosomes, it is called as homozygous. When has a dissimilar chromosomes, called heterozygous. And this heterogamesis concept is studied, that is production of two different types of gametes by one of the sex of species is called as heterogamesis. That is dissimilar gametes when present, the dissimilar chromosomes when present, the individual produces two types of gametes, and hence the dissimilarity is observed in presence of chromosomes. This scientist Coren stated that one sex is homozygous and other is heterozygous. The differences in male and female organism of species at chromosomal level is a base of chromosomal theory of sex determination. This theory in detail we are going to discuss later. According to the chromosome theory of sex determination proposed by McClung, chromosomes play a major role in determination of sex in most of the dioecious organisms. The diploid organisms has a pair of chromosomes which determines the sex of individual. They are called as sex chromosomes or allosomes or heterosomes, and remaining chromosomes which are present in individual are called as autosomes. These concept, sex chromosome and autosome, in case of human being, the female individual has two similar chromosomes, that is XX, and a male in human has a two dissimilar sex chromosomes called as X and Y. These are the terms the letters X and Y for a differentiating these two chromosomes. Actually, Y chromosome is shorter than the X chromosome. It has short arms and structural difference. For example, female grasshopper has a XX and X in male. Means in case of the insect grasshopper, female has 2 X chromosomes and male has a 1X chromosome. Such a differentiation seen in different type of individuals. This chapter consists of sex chromosomal theory of sex determination, then genetic balance theory, then haploidy diploidy mechanism, environmental method of sex determination, and last point, dosage compensation. The chromosomal theory of sex determination consists of the following concepts. In dioecious diploid organisms, following two types of chromosomal determination of sex have been recognized. First one is heterogametic male, means male individuals has a dissimilar two sex chromosomes. For example, in grasshopper, it has a single X and O means absence of another X chromosomes, and female has XX chromosomes. In case of human, female has XX chromosome and male has XY chromosome. Means heterogametic, different gametes are present in male, grasshopper, human, Drosophila, etc. Same condition is present in case of another individuals in females, that is called as heterogametic females. It is explained with help of another letters, that is ZW. For example, fowl, poultry bird or butterflies, it is called as ZZ and ZO concept. That is, the females are heterogametic, means dissimilar sex chromosomes are present. In case of fish and reptile, birds, they also has the dissimilar gametic females, that is heterogametic females, and it is indicated with letters of ZW. Male have the similar sex chromosomes. This indicates that the individual which has a heterogametic condition, it develops two types of gametes, and which has a homogametic condition, that individual develop a all similar gametes which has a similar sex chromosome. Heterogametic males, in this type, chromosomal determination of sex, the female sex has 2 X chromosome while male has only 1 X chromosome. Because male lacks X chromosome before during gametogenesis produces two types of gametes. 50% gametes carry X chromosome while remaining 50% gametes lacks the X chromosome, and this condition is indicated with help of letter O. Such a sex which produces two different type of gametes in term of sex chromosome called heterogametic sex. The female sex therefore produces a similar type of gametes called homogametic sex. Heterogametic males may be following two types. The example, grasshopper, in first diagram you can say, observe in female the yes, in female both sex chromosomes are same, two X are present, and in male there are only one sex. These are the sex chromosome, and 22 number indicates number of autosomes, that is chromosomes which are carrying other body characters. Another example, in fowl it is ZW, it has a autosome number 76, this, and the female has dissimilar, that is ZW chromosomes. These are the examples of heterogametic and homogametic condition. Next one is XX or XO system. The somatic cells of female grasshopper contain 24 chromosomes, whereas those of male contain only 23 chromosomes. Hence the XO condition. Thus, grasshopper, there is a chromosomal difference between the sexes. Female referred to as XX and male referred as XO. The X chromosome is called sex chromosome and the remaining chromosomes are called as autosomes. Thus, XX exosystem, all the eggs have X chromosome, whereas the sperms are of two types, X and O. That is, half the sperms have X chromosome and other half have none any chromosome. This may be understand with help of this diagram. Sex determination in grasshopper, that is grasshopper in female which is homogametic, all the eggs having similar combination, and in male out of this all sperms 50% sperms have AX and 50% have A0 or XAO, means absence of that X chromosome. Next is XXXY system. In mammals, Drosophila and some plants also, the females generally referred to as XX having 2 X chromosome and male has XY, that is having only one X chromosome and another one is Y chromosome. In Drosophila, there are 4 pairs of chromosomes. 3 pairs of these chromosomes in both sexes are called autosomes. The 4th pair of chromosome is different in the two sexes. These are the sex chromosomes. In female, the female Drosophila, both the sex chromosomes are identical, means same. Each is called X chromosome. In male, one of the sex chromosome is straight but other is bent, that is unequal arms are present. In human being, in man, the female have 44 autosomes and one X chromosome and a Y chromosome. In the XXXY system, all the ova have X chromosome, whereas the sperms are of two types, X and Y. In both XXXO system and XXXY type, the male is heterogametic sex, whereas female is homogametic. This can be explained with help of this diagram. In human being, father is heterogametic, means a XY chromosomes, sex chromosomes, and female is homo, that is similar XX chromosomes, and hence the all eggs are similar and sperms are having two types. In this diagram you can observe the eggs which are similar but sperms are of two types. This one is Y type sperm and this one is a X type sperm, and due to presence of such a Y chromosome, the sperm having Y chromosome, it develop into a male child, and due to presence of the sperm which is having X chromosome, that zygote develop into female, that is girl offspring. Same way the heterogametic females, in this type the chromosomal sex determinant